Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this under door seal right here. I mean, you can feel the draft coming in. So it's been a long time since we moved to this house that I haven't replaced it. Worn out all the seal underneath it, the rubber seal, to keep the draft coming in. So today I'm going to show you how to replace it. Under door seal right here that I have right here, it's not sealing the air from coming in anymore. And this one is let me open up the door. You can feel the draft coming in. This is the style where the yeah, this one is where the staple it in underneath there, but I couldn't find the replacement for this one, so I'm going with this one right here. This one I got this from Home Depot. This is called Easy Install Under Door Seal. This is a U-shaped vinyl cinch slide on, so it's easy, just slide it on. And there's 3 easy steps right here: measure, cut, and install, basically. So the first thing you need to do is you need a ruler to measure this right here, to measure the length of the door. It's about 3 feet, so about 36 inches. And measure the width. The depth or the thickness of the door is about 1 3/4 inches. So that's what I have right here. 1 3/4. So the gap right here, see, 1 and 1 3/4 would fit. So basically, let's just slide this in. After you take out the old under door seal, after you remove this, just slide this in right here. So simple. I need to remove the seal, the under door seal right here. They staple this together. So this is what you need, just a flathead screwdriver. Right here, just peel it off. And yep. So you don't need to take off the door. You see? See what I mean right here? It doesn't seal anymore. This part right here is still good right here. It's kind of preventing the air from coming in, but all this right here is all not working anymore. And look, I said, peeling look at, it's all no good anymore. All they did is just like a staple this thing right here to the wood, to the door. See some stapler right here. And now the one I got is, it's exact length, basically exact. Okay, so if your door is a little shorter than what your under door seal is, you need just need a saw. Just measure it and just cut to the length, whatever you need. Read the instruction right here. So like you say, all the equipment you need tool for this one is like the measuring tape, a pencil, and just take it out and just read direction basically. It look like this right here. You see the bottom part? That's to keep the air from coming in. So there's one is taller than the other one. This one's a little shorter. You want to put the longer side, this one right here, inside, and this shorter side outside. So slide it in like this. So the shorter side, that would be facing outside right here, outside this way, and the longer side would be facing inside. So slide it in. it should fit because it's easy to do. Just slide it in. Okay. A little more. Alright, it's a little hard to push it in, so I find the best way is to use a hammer, kind of tap it in. Not do too hard, you don't want to crack it. This is plastic. A little bit at a time. Now it's perfect. So that's it. You don't need to staple. You don't need to use any stapler or anything like that. That's it. That should seal it. No more air coming in. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.